Okay, yeah, I decided to go ahead with the slime since I already started the slime videos. So now today, here I am, going to take all my slime that I have, including my new one, my Hello Kitty, and my little blue one that I just got. I opened it already, I'm sorry, y'all. And I'm going to mix it all together with all my slimes and all the ingredients to go inside the slimes. Over here we have the glow-in-the-dark slime. It's glow-in-the-dark. This one is glow-in-the-dark as well. And then these are the different ones that I made. And over here we have the ones that I took out of all of my containers from Five Below. And look at what has happened since it's sat overnight. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start by putting on your gloves. I got my gloves on, y'all. They're a little big, so I kind of tucked them under there. I got small hands. Okay. So, I don't want to, but I'm going to. And we're just gonna mix it all together. There are a bunch of different kinds of slime. Some are with smells, like this orange one. This purple one smells like grapes. And if you remember, the one over here had the Spider-Man. That's the blue one right here. Where's the spider yet? He's hiding in here somewhere. Okay. And then we're gonna add this one. With my diamonds. Diamonds are for girls. Okay. And so because I have like one of these are like hard, this one is like a mold rather than a slime. So I have some slime activator here, and I'm gonna add some to it after I get it all mixed up. And we're just gonna add all the slimes together. Add some more beads to it. You know I should take my hands out for this, right? Okay, guess time to be messy. So there's like no red balls in here, so I'm gonna put all the red balls. Okay, y'all, it's looking pretty colorful and galaxy-like. Rainbows. Everybody loves rainbows. Okay, let's add this blue one that I just got today.
Yeah, it's a pop. Unfortunately, there was no pop. This is just some foam. Now we're gonna open the Hello Kitty. Here's the Hello Kitty. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of this to make it a little bit more slimy because it's a little too thick for me to play with.
Just a little more. So just a little bit. Okay, yeah. I wanted to see you to see the full blown in action. I wanted to get off the camera for a second, but I wanted to finish up with the slime and the noises, the mixing. Look, little turds coming out. Ew. Yes, very slimy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it to sit overnight and see what it smothers down to. Look at Spidey. Spider-Man. Spider-Man and Hello Kitty are in here hiding somewhere. I'm gonna add a little bit more slime lick activator. That's the real slime right there. And then we're gonna let it sit.